let us do the one small problem. An example, 32-bit machine with 4 KB page size. The logical address is 20. We know this 12 is what for? This is the displacement in the page or frame. This is D. This is page number P. How we achieve 12 is 4K, page size is 4 KB. 2 power 2 into 2 power 10 is equals to 2 power 12. Okay. This is number of bits for the pages. Okay. Next, page the page table. See that with 20, 2 power 20 means page. How many page table entries? 2 power 20 means 1 MB, 1 million pages. Suppose page entry size is 1 byte means 1 MB. Page table size is 1 MB. If page table entry is 2 bytes, what it is 2 MB. If it is 4 bytes, then 4 MB page size. Then we have to divide this page into hierarchical paging, into a sub paging, it's sub table. The bigger table we have divided into a smaller table. That we can do a page the page table. That is outer page table. This is inner page table D. This is 10, 10, 4. Actually, previously the page table size is 2 power 20. 2 power 20 entries. Okay. Now one page table is 2 power 10. Again, see, now we are using two page tables. One using 10 bits for 1 KB means 1024 locations. This is P2 is for this page table 1. This 10 is for this table 2. This is memory. Using D, we can access offset in the frame. Okay, now using hierarchical paging, we divide this 20 into 10 and 10 means 2 tables. One table, how many entries? 2 power 10 entries. Another table, 2 power 10 entries. If it is see that what is page size 4 KB, it means in main memory page size frame size is 4 KB. Take this table 2 power 10 is equals to 2 power 10 1 KB. This table it will fit into this frame. This table fit into this frame. Okay. If this is not applied here, then we can't store 2 power 20. This is 2 power 20 entries is equals to 1 MB. We cannot store this directly into 4 KB frame. Obviously 1 MB is greater than 4 KB. We cannot store. For that, to store this, we are dividing into 2 level paging. So these both tables we can now be able to store in 4K. So this may be stored in here, in somewhere, some other location we can store one more page. Okay, my dear friends. Now let us do one practical problem. How it will be referenced, let us see now. How it will be referenced. P1, P2, P2 is inner page table, P1 is outer page table, D is an offset. That is P this gives to again P2. From P2 will give this is page of page table, outer page table. Using D we can access decide frame. Okay, this is outer page table using how many locations? 2 power 10, 10, 2 power 10. How many? 1024 locations. Again, it will show any one with this. With this again, 1024. This is a displacement. We can achieve our desired memory in the frame. Okay. Now we'll go to the problems in gate examinations. Start.